morning. I am privileged and greatly humbled to be standing here in front of you. In fact, so humbled as to be rendered almost speechless, but I have a speech to give, so I take courage from the German poet Wolfgang Goethe, who would have told me, "Do not be so humble, dear sir, after all you're not that great." So taking courage from that, most humbly and respectfully, I would like to present to you my views on unleashing the human potential. I know I'm carrying coal to Newcastle, but just to remind you, the brave new world that stretches before us is going to be characterized by two sets of factors. One is VUCA, volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous, and the other one is countervailing power. There's going to be a pushback by all stakeholders, whether they be consumers, employees, suppliers, government, and the communities that we operate in. So this is really important in understanding how you unleash potential in the days to come. So the problem before any leader or any organization is to create a culture, and culture is nothing but the way people behave in everyday life, especially as they go around taking business decisions, that does three things simultaneously. Now it's important that all three need to be done. The beginning and the end, of course, has to be sustained business outperformance. At the same time, showing extreme care for all stakeholders while nurturing and nourishing the core values of the organization and of the leader. So all three need to be addressed simultaneously by tomorrow's leaders and by tomorrow's company. Now, in any situation, there are three perennial questions. What do we do? Why do we do? How do we do it? But lo and behold, all three are actually connected to the question, who are we? And that theme is going to run repeatedly through my presentation. So important to know who I am as an individual and as an organization, and that becomes the mother font from which everything flows. Now, of course, strategy, structures, processes, and metrics are all absolutely necessary if things are to happen. But for the purposes of this presentation, I am taking the stand that the source of everything is the little person called the human being. So I am going to address you from the point of view of the human being, and especially from the point of view of leaders, and leaders are anyone who has at least one person reporting to him or dependent on him, and that means everybody you can possibly think of. So the question really is that there is a vast sea of unutilized potential in any situation and in any person. How do we, as tomorrow's leaders and tomorrow's company, ignite that potential, that vast sea, that 95 to 85% that is lying untapped before us? How do we harness and unleash that potential? How do we do that for individuals? And more importantly, how do we do it for teams? So lo and behold, the most important thing, and I already said it, is the purpose, the dream, the who are we. In this VUCA world, there will be ups and downs, there will be failures, there will be successes, there will be laughter, there will be tears. Through it all, the one compass, the one source that will hold us and keep us going, even as we stumble and fall 100 times, is the dream, the purpose. And it is so important for tomorrow's leader to be able to formulate that dream, to articulate that, to communicate that, and make that dream and that purpose the purpose and dream of everyone in the organization. That is what will make people reach for the stars, and it is so important that we are able to do that. And I could actually end my presentation with that, but you will have to bear with me for a few more minutes. But remember, this is the most important thing, to be clear about what the purpose is for me as an individual and for the organization. Of course, to convert that dream into a reality, from the HR point of view, in fact, from the business point of view, you have to align all the HR levers. Now that's important. You cannot have just one or two of the levers aligned to the purpose. You have to align all the moving parts, all the HR levers simultaneously to that purpose, and only then will you produce that great force that is required to be and succeed in the VUCA world, the brave new world that stretches before us. Let me quickly devote the rest of my time to the behaviors that tomorrow's leader and tomorrow's company will have to exhibit to be successful.